I'm Nick Ionati with Casual Furniture Solutions. I just wanted to do a quick video of showing how to measure a sling for a Homecrest chair. There's really three different sizes of them. They're all the same width. It's about 20 and a half inches, somewhere in there. And then there's also three lengths. 42 inch, which is their standard back. They do have a mid back at 46 and a half, and then also a 50 inch, which is the high back. The high back's the most common. So just want to get if you have one, the easiest way to do it is using a fabric tape measure. It's loose, it'll follow the contour of the chair. So you really just start up at the top, go all the way down, make sure you get the contours. Down here, and then you're down at 50 inches. If you don't have a fabric tape measure, you can use a string or a rope, and then really just do the same way. Just follow it down. And then you can put a little mark right on the rope where it stops. And then just get a tape measure. And then measure the length of the rope, which is right at 50 inches. So, so like I said, there's three main sizes. 42 inch is the other common size. 42 inch, 50 inch, and there's also a 46 and a half. We get our slings directly from Homecrest, right from the factory, which typically takes about 4 to 5 weeks to get, and we just ship them direct to you. So I'll put a link in the description for where you can order the slings right from us, and we'll get those rolling for you. So hopefully this helps. And again, Nick with Casual Furniture Solutions.